guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam mirrored wall decor. So what you're going to need some of these white faux pearls from EFavormart. You'll also need some of this silver floral diamond wrap from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need an 8.5 by 11 poster frame, and this is recycled from another project, so I'll be using this. You're going to need an 8 by 10 framed mirror, and then you'll need one of these square mirrors as well. I will be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 on epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant glam wall mirror and wall decor turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was really super easy to make. Now you could certainly embellish this further and really add a lot more glam to it if you'd like to do that. I just chose to kind of go a little bit simpler on it, but you could certainly add as much embellishment as you like. But let's go ahead and get started decorating. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.